In this video, I will show how to fix screen flickering while playing games in Windows. So, to resolve this problem, search Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here expand Display Adapters. Right click on your display, then Update Driver. It will auto update and it will select best driver which you are using. So this is the first method. Second one, start settings. Click on display and make sure you are using scale is recommended size. It can be different as your system. Display resolution, select here recommended. Another way, here click on advanced display and choose a refresh rate. So click on this drop down and select higher. Just you have to select here higher. A higher rate gives smoother motion but also use more power. So select higher and close and restart your system. So hopefully any method will work for you. Thanks and comment. If you have any query or question,